It's all about natural healing. So, there you have it. Herbal remedies like ginger, yam, and herbal nasal sprays can help you kiss snoring goodbye. Remember, a few lifestyle changes combined with these natural solutions can lead to a much quieter and more restful night. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and sleep tight. See you in the next video.